With LG Content Share, you can discover new and exciting ways to enjoy your photos, videos, and music from your smartphone, tablet, PC, and more on your LG Smart TV with WebOS. To get started, press the Home button on the Magic Remote, then navigate toward the right of the launcher. This year, we've created separate tabs for your music and your photos and video. Let's start with music. On the first screen in Music, you'll configure your storage selection. Down along here, you'll see the compatible devices that are detected by the TV. Click on one to gain access and to see what music is inside and to play it. To get started quickly, you can plug in a USB flash drive at one of the ports around back, and it will show up in this list as an available USB mass storage device. You can also link your smartphone to the TV using the Device Connector app, which we cover in another video. At the top right, you'll see these controls that let you organize and display your music in different ways. Add any or all songs to a playlist, search, and open the player down here in the right corner. Your LG Smart TV supports a variety of popular file formats, including JPEG photos and MP3 and AAC audio. This is our best music player yet, with a graphic interface that lets you flip through cover art. And by toggling up, you can access these controls that let you select from different music libraries, shuffle and repeat, move or hide the player, and even turn off the screen using just the speakers of your TV. Press any key except power on the Magic Remote to turn the screen back on. You can also continue listening to music while doing other things with the TV, such as navigating WebOS features or surfing the internet. Back on the launcher, next to Music, you'll see Photos and Video. Click on this tab to access your photographs and videos in much the same way, starting with Storage Selection again. Click on the location and the items will be displayed with thumbnails. And up here in the controls you can filter, listing your photos and videos together or separately, and how you'd like to view them. You can add photos to a slideshow that you create, even adding music by clicking this little note at the bottom right. When viewing a photo, you can use these on-screen controls to rotate the image or zoom in, using this slider at the bottom right. You can also create a video playlist by selecting which of your videos you'd like to add. You can control playback with the Magic Remote, or by using these on-screen controls along the bottom. So as you can see and hear, LG Content Share gives you smart new ways to share your music, video, and photos.